How to enable disappearing messages on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger application and make sure to log in with your Messenger account or your Facebook account. Now, once you land in this chat page, you have to open up the conversation with that account where you would like to enable the disappearing messages. For example, I have this contact right here. After you open up the conversation, tap on the eye icon from the top right corner. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, if you scroll down a bit, and under privacy and support, there is an option as disappearing message, which is off in my case. Now to enable that, tap on it. You will land on this interface. Then you have to choose the second option, 24-hour, which will enable the disappearing messages. And the message will disappear after the selected duration. If someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, a notification will appear in the chat. Messages may disappear 24 hours after they have seen for people on certain older versions of Messenger. So after this account view my messages or they have seen, then after 24 hours the message will get disappeared. So that's how you enable disappearing messages on Messenger, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.